In this video today, I have another investment platform to share with you. If you are interested with it, you can go on with them. So this is just like some others investment platform we have been doing maybe since last year. And right now they are paying. Currently they are paying. So this is Globalcoud.shop. Globalcoud.shop is a USDT investment platform. So guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Banky Mill and this is Banky Update. So in this video, I will be sharing with you a new investment platform called Globalcoud.shop. So this is about this platform. You invest and you earn some returns. Their investment duration period start from for day one days to about 200 days. So it depends on the one you want to go for. So if you want to register with them, check the description of this video. You will see the registration link there. So this is how the platforms work. This is how it works. Firstly, when you registered, let me show you how to get a free miner first. When you registered on this home page here, just go down small and check out on this one here, which they write Bitcoin miner X19. So this one you can actually make free $1 from it for every day for 3 days. Their minimum withdrawal is $4. Actually, it's $4. So you can make up to $3 on this one every day. The rent price is zero, so you get it for free. So if you want to get it, when you register, just click on it here. Just click on buy now here. As you can see, my own is going on right now. So after you click on buy now, that means you have purchased it for free. You have purchased that one for free. So the next thing is to click on my miner here. Click on my miner. So when you click on my miners there, when you click on my miners, you will see the miner here, the miner machine here. All you need to do is to click on start here. You will see a start button here, yellow. Now click on it. So when you click on it, it will start working for you and you will be earning your money. You will earn $1 from it every day. Effective time, you can see the effective time here. So you will be earning it every day until the effective time means on the day it will expire. That means it will expire 3 days to this time. So you'll be earning $1 from it every day for 3 good days. But their minimum withdrawal is $4. So if you want to withdraw from this platform, actually you need to deposit. So their minimum investment start with $15. This is it here, $15. $15. This $15 own is for 20 days. It will keep on making you $1.5 for you every day. Every day you can withdraw anytime. You have up to $4 for 30, and your total income will be $30. That means you earn a profit of $15. Join your $30. Join your $15. That is times 2 in 20 days. Like that. The next one that is close to it here is this $20 renting own. So the price of this one is $20. This one is only for 2 days, and it will make you about $12.6. That means you'll be earning up to $25.2 in 2 days. That means you are earning a total profit of $5.2 in 2 days. So that is it for that one. And you can check the others one. This is for $30 own. This one will be giving you $1.2 daily for 45 days. Your total income will be $54. This one $260. The price is $260, and it will be earning you $11 every day for how many days? For 200 days, and your total income will be $2,200 dollars. That means you earn a profit of about $1,940. So like that, that is it about the platform. So right now, if you want to deposit on this platform, you will just click on me down below here. Click on me, then you see your recharge. Click on recharge here. So when you click on recharge, then you click on, you copy the wallet address here and send the amount you want to send into it, which is USDT TRC20. That's what you will send into it. You can read their disclaimer here, everything you can read it also there. So when you send the money into it, you will get the money automatically. So you get the money automatically. If you want to withdraw, you all you need to do is to click on the withdraw button, then input your withdrawal wallet address here, which is USDT USDT TRC20 wallet address. Input the amount you want to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is $4. So input it there, then click on withdraw down below here, down here. Just click on withdraw. So automatically you will see receive the money automatically. So you can read what they write here. So this is everything about this platform. There are many others where you can also earn money on the platform also. When you join it, you'll be seeing them. You can also win iPhone on this platform. You can also win iPhone on this platform too. You can win iPhone 14 Pro Max. You can win iPhone with. So it depends on how you are serious with this platform. So guys, this is what I have for you today. If you're interested on it, if you're interested with this platform was just launched. So if you're interested with them, you can join them, make your deposit, purchase the miner you want to run, and start making money from this platform. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for being here always. And if you find this video helpful, please hit that like button, and at the same time hit the subscribe button if this is your first time on this channel. On this channel, I share different videos on how to make money online, investments, and some other airdrop and mining stuff. So guys, thank you for watching. Goodbye for now. Check the description of this video to join my WhatsApp group and also register on this channel, on this platform. Thank you. Goodbye for now.